Stop by and take a look at the 2021 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, leather seats, compass, low tire pressure warning. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.